Hi guys, so today I will open the new pot from Orchid, the V2 pot. You see, V2 pot. This is one. This is the name. It's the vape. This is the pot. Orchid. So this one is the warning. Okay. This product contains nicotine, which is highly addictive substance. The following warning apply when the product is used with nicotine content e-liquids. You can see V2 pot there. That's one. Okay, pot. Okay, pot. And then they give like what they say there. Okay. Keep the content, keep battery. Okay, so let's open it. There's a box. Okay, okay. So I bought the Gucci one. The Gucci one, because I think Gucci is the most better lah. Okay. So this one, actually I already opened it. So this one is the pot. I really trust it. Oh, you see? Okay, so I open that. Yeah. Show that. Focus. I cannot focus. Bawah dah. Over there, this is the pot. Okay, this is the pot. You put there. This is the already open. So this one is the manual book. Los Angeles Orchid. The manual book, how to use it. Quite the warranty card. So yeah. So this one is the cable, if you want to charge. Cable there, over there. This is the cable, and this one is pot. Yeah. Wow, he gives the cable. Yeah, I already have this, and I already use this cable. So yeah, this is the cable that he give, and yeah, the cable. You can see a beautiful cable, white with black. So yeah, this is the pot, because I already use it. So that's why, because if the iris is so white, it's so clean, but I already used it. This flavor already have for the pot. So this is the pot. This is the how to refill the flavor. Cable, and then you can refill the flavor over there. Yeah, the flavor there, and then this is to up there. So yeah, this is the vape, this is the baby. So if I put on this one, you can see that this what is this thing, whatever. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, great, right? So small, you can fit. Goodbye. Yeah, so beautiful, right? The silver, I don't know, this is iron or what, but this is beautiful. Gucci. This material, I don't know what material there, but it's really beautiful. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoy my first video. Bye bye guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye.